Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Hemant, and I'm your host for today. And good evening to all the guests and dignitaries, and my greetings to all the participants for your presence today. So, let's kickstart our session with a great quotation. Time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. By Dennis Waitley. How many of you feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day to take care of both of your health and responsibilities? Today, we'll explore how mastering positive time management can help you achieve both healthier and more balanced life. As your host for today's worldwide webinar on healthy you and positive time management, I Hemant Naidu warmly welcome each and every one of you. We are privileged to have Dr. Kiran with us, an esteemed professional with extensive expertise and experience. Today, she will share invaluable insights on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle and manage your time effectively. Her guidance promises to provide strategies that will help us lead more balanced and fulfilling lives. Before I proceed further, let me take a brief moment for introducing my organization. SEMS Welfare Organization, a registered non-profit organization, is dedicated to social impact across various sectors. We focus on education, particularly skill development and entrepreneurship. To our initiative, DigiSuction, we have created training programs in IT, finance, retail, and entrepreneurship, impacting over 6,000 individuals. We are currently upskilling inmates in Haryana jails and collaborating with universities and colleges. We have also partnered with banks to place over 1,500 candidates in jobs. Film Leads is another SEMS initiative empowers women through workshops and stories of successful female entrepreneurs. We conduct programs on digital literacy, marketing, and career development, reaching over 1,000 women across multiple states. This initiative recently reached a milestone of 100 women who actively involved. In just a short time, SEMS have established itself as a force for positive change, equipping individuals with skills for employment and promoting women's leadership in various industries. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me take this wonderful occasion to publicly present and welcome Dr. Priya Kiran, the keynote speaker for today's international webinar. I thank you, ma'am, for being on this session. It's it's my great pleasure to introduce our distinguished speaker today, Dr. Priya Kiran, an accomplished professional with an impressive career spanning 17 years in both the academic and corporative sectors. Both Dr. Kiran, extensive expertise in teaching, training, administrative activities, and professional management makes her a true asset in her current role as an assistant professor. Dr. Kiran has made significant contributions to her field, evidenced by her numerous national and international publications and her active participation in seminars and conferences, where she has presented many insightful papers. Furthermore, she has demonstrated her commitment to knowledge sharing and professional development by conducting a wide array of workshops on various topics, both online and offline. Her wealth of knowledge and particular insights promise to make today's session enlightening and enriching to all of us.
Hi, thank you so much for giving me such a valuable intro that I really don't like. I don't much like. I'm not up to that level. जितना आपने बता दिया है मुझे. Very tiny personality, but definitely I will do something as I have get an honor opportunity to do some session with your student. Definitely, let's see like how helpful it will be for them, and I will contribute 100% from my side. So if any doubt student is having any kind of doubt or session, they can ask me in a chat box or at the end of the session. Definitely I will not take more of your time. Within that stipulated time only, I will try to cover it with all the doubts, and if they have any kind of questions related to their motivation level, low motivation, if they have any kind of personality issue, if they are not able to manage their time, like whatever be the circumstances we can have with us. Thank you so much, all of you. And I good evening, all of you, the host and all the participant present over here through online. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Should we start the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is ready now. Let's begin with the session. That will be it will going to take time. So I think start. Hi, good evening, Sana. Good evening, everyone. The topic which I have chosen, being you, and fitness and your motivation level. So being you, if we talk about you, what do you think about the fitness? Can I have one word for the fitness? So what do you consider fitness as?
To be fit for your own self, for your
Okay.
physical and mental health.
Okay, great. So anyone else? Any two response I want, not more than that. Health, well-being, Madhurima, fine.
Balance physical and
Uh,
emotional
balance
health
between
and
mental
mental
and
health.
yeah, taking care of own health. That's the best thing, I hope. Wellness. Yeah. Fitness is basically chalo, agar mere se pucha jaye, so comfortable with Hindi and English both or only English? Tell me. How many?
Whichever
Both, ma'am.
language you're comfortable, ma'am.
Both, ma'am.
हिंदी
Both.
भी सही है, इंग्लिश भी सही है.
मेरे से तो मैथिली भी बुलवा लो. You tell me also. Chalo.
बोल
Anything
लो
is
मैम
fine, ma'am.
मैथिली.
हिंदी भी चलेगा.
Okay, so nice. I got to know from one person from my side also. Chalo. So nice to listen about Mathli. चलो हम लोग fitness के ऊपर बात करते हैं. See, अगर if to talk to me about the fitness, I categorize the fitness into three parts. That is your mental fitness, your physical fitness, and your emotional fitness. Fitness, if we talk about the physical one, if I'm able to do all the things physically without getting tired, is called the physical fitness. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If we talk about that's called the physical fitness. Physical fitness में क्या होता है कि if I'm planning to go to fourth floor, हमारा lift खराब हो गया and I'm not able to climb up. That it means we are not fit. If I'm going to if I have to, my car is not working. If I have to if I have to walk for another 30 minutes, I'm not, unable to vibe. If I'm eating food while watching the TV. कोई मुझसे बोल दे कि आप dining table पे खा लो, I'm getting tired because I have to sit straight over there. So that's called the physical fitness. So if we talk about the physical fitness, जो हमें physical fitness we are going through on a daily basis. अगर हम लोग physical fitness की बात करें तो all the activity which we are doing on a daily basis comes under the physical strength. If we don't have the physical strength, we don't be able to do anything. If we talk about the mental strength, हम लोग जो भी चीज mentally अपने दिमाग से काम करते हैं. If I'm able to read the book and understand the thing, that is called the mental fitness. If I'm able to take the right decision after going through any kind of activity or any listening to any music or listening to a speech given by any of the person, after that, if I'm able to judge in a proper manner, that's called the mental fitness. Now come to the emotional fitness. What about the emotional fitness? Can anyone say a single word about the emotional fitness?
Be resilient if you're emotionally weak, or if somebody hurt you. So how
Yeah.
you balance and how you come out of that emotion.
Yeah, yes, you're right. Basically, what happens, we are in a burst of our mood. हमने something worst in going on in our life, and still we are at the peaceful mind. हम लोग we are after having lots of trouble in our life, हम लोग अपने बच्चे से गंदे से नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. If I'm a teacher, hell of nuisance are going in our life, but still I'm talking in a proper way with our student. मैं कहीं का गुस्सा कहीं पे नहीं निकाल रही हूँ. मैं अपने जितनी भी anger है, I'm able to convert that energy into the positive manner. That is called my emotional wellness, emotional fitness. So if we talk about the fitness, हमने तीन तरीके की fitness की बात की. हमने बोला mental fitness, हमने बोला physical fitness, और हमने बोला emotional fitness. If we talk about अगर हमने सिर्फ हमने physical fitness की बात करें, so according to you, how many of you consider fitness as a thin or fat? Consider correlate fitness as a body weight with the body weight. किसे लगता है कि fitness का relation body weight से है? So basically क्या होता है कि many of us think, if we talk about Bidesh Saha, very honest answer. So basically, see, अगर हमसे कोई fitness की बात करें ना, if anyone talk about the fitness, जो हमारे first thing mind में आता है, that is about the body weight. If we think that person is fat, he is not fit. If person is thin, he is fit. Somehow it is true. But why it happens? It is all because of the mental fitness. Why mental fitness? Because we are unable to judge what is wrong and what is right for you. We have n number of food in front of us. We are unable to judge. Our mind is actually not working. Which food will give benefit to me, or which food will be harmful to us? So without thinking much, we started eating any kind of food that is irrespective of knowing the nutritional value, irrespective of knowing what kind of harm it will give to our body, but still we are eating. So basically, apart from how we become the physically unfit, just because we are mentally unfit too. We are unable to judge between the wrong and right. So to become physically fit, we need to be mentally fit first of all. We need to be mentally fit. हमें सोचना पड़ेगा, हमें सोच को सही करना पड़ेगा, हमें judgmental बनना पड़ेगा before having any kind of food we eat, before doing any kind of physical, any kind of activity. And activity we talk about, so I'm talking about the physical activity. किसे नहीं पसंद है कि इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी है तो हम एसी में बैठ करके खाना खा लें. Everyone will love to have but there is certain decorum where we have to sit. There is a dining table in each and every house. So at least why should sit straight and have food so that we do you know that we should not eat while walking, we should not drink water while we are standing. Why it is so? Because we know the process कि if we drink water while standing, it will automatically go to the gut. Like वो हमारे जो intestinal system है वो automatically चला जाएगा. That is not a good. Even when we eat food, it takes 8 to 10 hours to get the whole digestion process. Why? Because with all the gut, it goes level to level. Settle होने में उससे time लगता है. वो प्रॉपर आपका वेस्ट मटेरियल, वेस्ट बनने तक में और न्यूट्रिशन हमारे बॉडी तक में आने में इट टेक्स 8 hours टाइम. सो इन द सेम वे इफ यू स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर स्टैंडिंग, तो आपको फिर प्रॉब्लम शुरू होने लग जाती है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द फिटनेस, हमने सबसे पहले बोला था कि फिटनेस इज इफ आई एम एबल टू डू ऑल माई वर्क फिजिकली, इफ आई एम मेंटली साउंड, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस if I'm emotionally strong also. The whole three things comprises of the fitness of human being. Because human being में सिर्फ physical fitness तो नहीं होता ना, उनका mental fitness भी रहना उतना ही जरूरी है, and that should be emotionally strong to handle each and every situation. That's called the fitness. So if we talk about fitness of a person, first of all, it is not a competition of being thin or fat. अगर मैं फिटनेस की बात करूं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें दिमाग से ये निकालना पड़ेगा कि ये कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है. वी शुड नॉट बी हैव कंपटीशन विद अनदर वन कि उसका वेट लूज हो रहा है तो हमारा भी होगा. इफ ही इज गेनिंग वेट तो हमें भी करना है. नहीं, हमें इस कंपटीशन में नहीं जाना है. वी ऑलवेज सी वी आर born in that era जहां पे हमें पूरे लाइफ हमने सिर्फ कंपटीशन नहीं देखा है. Either it is if we talk about the marks we are getting, the same pressure we started giving to our children कि भैया उसके तो 80% आ गए, आप 79.5 पे कैसे रुक गए. So these are the situation. So first of all, if you want to really fit, stop competing yourself with anyone. हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर कौन होना चाहिए? हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर हम खुद होंगे. एंड दैट इज लाइक ऑन अ डेली बेसिस वी विल ट्राई टू इनकलकेट वन गुड फिटनेस आइडिया इन आवर बॉडी. हम लोग हमें एकदम से किसी के दौड़ में नहीं जाना है. वी आर नॉट एबल टू कि नहीं हमें एक रेस चल रहा है भाई, आज हमने 2 kg लॉस किया, आज हमें 2.5 kg लॉस करना है. नो, आप रेस में यू वोंट बी एबल टू fix the target where you want to achieve in terms of your fitness, in terms of your career growth, in terms of your daily work life balance, in terms of everything. हमें एक रेस में नहीं जाना. We are not machine. भगवान ने हमें एक बॉडी दिया है that is working mechanically, but not like कि हमें भी मशीन ही बन के रहना है. And God has given in top of the head they have given us mind so that we should do everything. We should first think and then start doing. And we always say mind is there and heart is there. So first of all we should open our mind, then we should become emotionally by heart. So this is all the same. There is no second point is there is no standard in fitness. Why we are saying there is no standard in fitness? स्टैंडर्ड मतलब कि नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि देयर इज नो आइडियल पर्सन कि भाई ये ऋतिक रोशन है, दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड, ये मेजरमेंट है, हमें इसके जैसा बनना है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. आई ऑलवेज टेल यू देयर इज नो कॉम्पिटिशन टू योरसेल्फ. आपका कॉम्पिटिशन खुद आप हो, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. In the same way, there is no set standard for fitness. It's not like कि it's a set standard कि we are going to lose 5 kg in a month. We are next month if we are unable to lose 3 kg or something like that, we are going in a wrong track. It's not like that. It's like there is no such standard to fitness. Whatever you are having, whatever your body give you, whatever strength you have body, you should plan accordingly. Apna standard आपने खुद बनाना है. No one is going to help with that. Movement melt all away straight. And first of all, be mobile. We all are having the mobile. Why how come mobile started? Because when it was a landline, we are facing problem in difficulty. We are facing difficulty in getting connected, because there was only landline at our home. Even we are sitting outside, we won't be able to take call. We have to go and we have to take call, and connectivity issue there. So with the upgradation of the technology, mobile came. So mobile came to give our comfort. But with that mobile, we become so lazy that we stopped moving from one place to another, because we know internet connection is our home. We are not moving. So basically, यहाँ पे we are not talking about the mobile movement. It's about the movement. It's about the physical movement. It's about mental movement. I'll tell you how mental movement affects our body. First, we talk about the physical movement. Physical movement, we talk about, there are gym in our society. There are gym, I think more than 50% people who are sitting here in this, attending this webinar, they must be going to one or another physical, gym or somewhere they have joined. It's good that you are taking care of your body. You are making yourself physically fit. You will look good. You will have a shape. Female are very much conscious about the shape of the body, isn't it? We don't want pear shape body. We don't want apple kind of body. We want something like badhiya wala body. So we are very much particular about our body. So movement melts away stress. In the morning, if I give you some good suggestion, wake up in the morning, ek bar utho, have a good, after getting fresh, take a 2, 3 or 5 deep breath, sit straight, and then go for a walk. Whatever time it is. Of course, I will suggest you to go away for 6, so that it will be temperature will be slightly low, and you will you will be have the opportunity to listen the chirping of the birds, animals moving around, the beginning of the day of the shopkeepers. You will say doodh wala is coming. You will say hawkers is giving the newspaper. So these are the thing we do, and this will definitely going to help us in a physical movement. And these are all the opportunity you can't gain if you can't go for a walk. So instead of going gym up, you should always prefer to go आप treadmill में जाते हो ना, same reason से ही you are going in a gym and you will do the treadmill. Treadmill will definitely going to help, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज़्यादा help करेगा if you are going for a walk, because treadmill has got a machine जो आपको help करता है आपके आपको movement करने में. But if you go for a walk, आप basically अपने pace को खुद बना रहे हो. आपको मशीन नहीं हेल्प कर रहा है आपके फिजिकली एक्टिव होने के लिए. And now now we talk about the physically fitness. It boosts brain part. How physical activity boosts brain part? See, if you are able to do physical activity, definitely you are able to do so many work. If you are able to do physical activity in the morning, आपकी अगर एक ढंग से sweating हो जाती है पूरी body में, your skin starts glowing, and throughout the day you will feel less hotness in comparison to other. जो पूरे दिन जिससे स्वेटिंग होती रहती है, आपको उनसे कम होगा, बिकॉज आपका जो एक प्रॉपर स्वेटिंग प्रोसेस था वो मॉर्निंग में निकल चुका है. जितने टॉक्सिन्स थे आपके बॉडी के, वो हाफ एन आवर आपके वॉक के बाद वो जा चुका है. सो बेसिकली, और उसके बाद क्या होता है कि यू आर अ बिट रिलैक्स. यू कैन डू आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम वॉक एंड ऑल, यू कैन हैव 30 minutes on you. Always give, see, a spare time for yourself. I always say to people around me, spare time for yourself. This is especially for those housewife and those school going, those college going student who are having very absurd timing, university timing or college timing. They don't get time. But still, I must tell you, be selfish sometime. If you don't become selfish, you won't be able to perform your life in a better way. not selfish in terms of money, not selfish in terms of relationship, but selfish in terms of your fitness. If you are fit, you will be able to help others in a better way. So basically, selfish हम कैसे बनेंगे? Selfish हमें सिर्फ ऐसे बनना है कि I have to spare 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes on myself. That time will be totally mine. वो हमारा किसी और का टाइम नहीं है, हमें किसी के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. हम लोग अपने we do puja at home ना, हम लोग नहा करके आते हैं, we do meditation, we do prayers and all. So why can't we do other than prayers? Why can't we do some exercise with us? हमें prayer के लिए तो time मिल जाता ना. We have हमें भगवान के पूजा के लिए तो time मिलता ना. God has always tell कि नहीं, if you are fit, you will definitely going to worship me more, और आप मेरे लिए सेवा भी ज्यादा करोगे, है ना. तो हमें if we really want to make our God happy, we should be we should be fit mentally, physically, and both emotionally. So basically, these are the benefit of having fitness. Being fit, I told you earlier also, like there are three kind of fitness: physical, mental, and emotional. Everyone can see the screen. Is it visible, or should I make it more broader?
It is visible, ma'am.
It is visible. So first one is physical fitness, the ability of your body system to work together efficiently to allow you to be healthy and perform activities on a daily living. I just told you, like if you are able to perform your daily activity without the help of other, you are physically fit. हम लोग we have seen people in our family, we have seen people around us. At the age of 40, they are unable to walk properly because since beginning they are not doing any kind of physical activity. So if we talk about the physical, if we are able to perform our daily work on a better way without the support of others, हमें नहीं जरूरत पड़ी है कि कोई हमें पकड़ करके ले जाए. If someone is helping me, if हमारा if we talk about the belly fat, we have got such a huge belly that I'm unable to tie my shoelace. It happens with so many people. If it happens with so many children who are unable to tie their shoelace, because in between their shoe and their hand, their big tummy comes. So this should not be happen. Mentally indicates their ability to think clearly and make decision efficiently and sorry, it's only efficiently. Like I told you, if I'm unable to make a proper decision, we are mentally fit. Mentally fit का मतलब होता है कि हमने कुछ पढ़ा, हमें समझ में आया. अगर see mentally fit, how we can become mentally fit? If we are doing one thing in one time. If we start doing like reading a book, and other than this I'm using my phone also, believe me, आप चाहे तो फोन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर लो या अपने स्टडी पे कंसंट्रेट कर लो. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट योर एकेडमिक स्टडी. इवन इफ यू आर स्टडिंग, इवन यू आर रीडिंग अ नॉवेल, एंड अदर देन दिस यू आर यूजिंग अ फोन, बिलीव मी, यू आर नॉट ऑनेस्ट विथ योर बुक एंड योर फोन ऑल्सो. हमारा सबसे प्यारा आज के डेट में डिवाइस हमारा फोन होता है. सो वी आर नॉट ऑनेस्ट विथ दैट ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है? सो लाइक ब्रिंग योर माइंड, teach your mind to do something right in a proper time, and that's all about their mental fitness. If we talk about the emotional fitness, you can change your mindset from angry, anxious, or sad, and instead focus on constructive emotion and task. I told you in the beginning also, गुस्सा किसे नहीं आता है? I can't say कि हमारे इतने जो लोग जो 50-60% जितने भी हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट हैं, they are not having a problem. उनके लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है बच्चा. Like everyone is facing any kind of problem, whether it is related to your academics, whether it is related to your family, it can be financial, it can be your relationship with someone, it can be affairs, it can be parent child relationship, it can be boyfriend, it can be like anything. So I don't say that everyone is, no bhai, I'm satisfied with my life, मेरे life में तो कोई problem नहीं है. Nothing. It is never happens. So basically क्या होता है कि like when we are able to turn, हमने emotions पढ़ा था ना, you remember जब हम लोग बहुत छोटे थे, हमसे इमोजी बनवाई जाती थी. ये this is called a smile, ये हमने sad हो गया, ये आश्चर्य वाला है, और something like that. हमने सभी ने बहुत बचपन से. Now तो emoji has now तो computer is helping us to show our emotion in terms of emojis, but बहुत छोटे when we were in art school, हमें अभी भी याद है कि teacher used to make like this and say like this is a smile, this is the rona wala face, this is a sad face, or this is something like that. So earlier we were able to express our emotion in our language only, but now the AI or technology or mobile phone or like any other technology is helping us to show our emotion. So basically हम लोग emotionless हो चुके हैं. How we become emotionless? Because हमें नहीं पता कि हम लोग किस emoji को कहाँ पे use करना है. हम लोग कहीं भी कुछ भी use करते हैं, and we are becoming fool and we are making fool of other people also. So basically क्या होता है कि if you are emotionally strong, you have ability to change your anger mood, anxious mood or sad mood to your like positive strength area. आप चाहे तो आप इतने सारे जो आपकी negative energy है, if you want, you can change all this into positive part after taking a good breath. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा है ना, जब when you are very much angry, आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं कुछ भी हो जाएगा मेरे हाथ से, stop talking to everyone for that time. हम लोग एक pause लेकर के देखते हैं. If you take a pause even for 30 seconds, believe me, आपका 50% से ज्यादा गुस्सा शांत हो चुका होगा. So basically क्या होता है ना कि हम लोग we try to exaggerate the thing. हमें जब बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आया होता है ना, we try to find someone कि अपना भ्रास निकाले, है ना. We always try to find someone जिससे हम उस समय गुस्सा निकाले. But it is always advisable to take a long breath and think twice before saying a single word. आप एक बार शांत हो जाओगे ना, even for 5 minutes, आपका 50% चीजें खत्म हो जाती है. You know, sometimes it happen कि like बहुत ज्यादा झगड़ा हो गया हमारे पार्टनर से, हमारी मम्मी से, हमारे सिबलिंग से, कजन से, बहुत ज्यादा झगड़ा हो गया. सेम झगड़ा if we think like after 2 or 3 years, believe me, हमें झगड़ा का रीजन तक याद नहीं रहता. Even for after 5 days, if someone third person will come in and ask कि यार तुम लोग का तो इतना ज्यादा झगड़ा हो रहा था, what happens? We will laugh and because we were not knowing the reason behind that anger issues. So this is what happened. So how it happened? If you take a pause, आप एक बार pause लेके देखो, आपका 50% चीजें खत्म हो जाता है उस time के लिए. And ultimately you are able to bounce back and continue your journey even stronger. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, when you have control over your emotion, उसके बाद जब आप bounce back करते हो, you have more positive energy with you. क्यों? Energy तो हमारे पास already था ही ना, but it was in the form of गुस्सा. Same energy को when we convert into the positive part, तो एक तो पॉजिटिव वाला एनर्जी और दूसरा जो हमारा गुस्सा वाला एनर्जी जो कन्वर्ट हुआ था, नाउ वी हैव बाउंस बैक विथ डबल एनर्जी. अब हमारे पास 2 टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी हो गई है जो हमें बहुत ज्यादा फिट रहने में हमें हेल्प करेगी. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ फिटनेस, फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड इमोशनल. फिटनेस एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट. If we talk about do you have time for your physical activity? Can I have response in the this thing in a chat box? Do you have time for yourself? Am I audible to all of you? Yes.
Yes. We need to make time, ma'am, because that's very
Okay.
important.
Riyaz.
That's what will keep you fit.
Do have time but not motivation. Yes, ma'am. Navneet is there. Rakesh Jena, yes. Great. So majority is having time for physical activity, isn't it? So in your time, what exactly do? जो हमारा ये जो हमने अपने वाले time की बात की है, what we prefer to do in our time? How many of you एक time निकालते हैं और उसमें what you do exactly? आप लोग उस particular time में जो हमारा अपना वाला time होता है, what you do exactly? Can I have only 10 answers? Yoga, walking, playing cricket, nice. Gym, listen music and walk, listen music, playing cricket, spending time with people, playing guitar, nice, playing cricket and sports. Chalo. 10 is there. Okay. I'm really fortunate that I'm talking to those person who are highly motivated. So I'm very happy to take this session because you yourself is very much motivated. See, normally, if we say that if we are not having time for us, it means we are not motivated to have time. जितने भी लोग होते हैं ना, बच्चे से आप बोलो, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, आप उनसे बोलो कि आपका होमवर्क, आपको मैं नीचे घुमाने नहीं ले जाऊंगी अगर आपका होमवर्क नहीं कंप्लीट होता है. बिलीव मी, उनके पास होमवर्क खत्म करने के बाद उनके पास 3-4 आवर्स सामने ला करके दे देगा कि भैया अब मुझे खिलाने ले चलो, मेरे पास 3-4 आवर्स तो स्पेयर टाइम है ही। सो हाउ इट हैपेंस, बिकॉज दे आर मोटिवेटेड, उन्हें पता है कि पार्क इज द सेकंड होम फॉर देम, उन्हें बाहर जाने के लिए दे कैन डू एनीथिंग। सो इन द सेम वे, if we are not motivated, we don't do physical kind of activity, we don't think for others, especially for the females, they have ample of time for the family। आप उनसे बोलो कि वो कितने टाइप के पराठे बना सकते हैं, वो 32 तरह के पराठे आपको बना करके खिला देंगे। उनके बच्चे के टिफिन में 7 डेज में 6 डेज में वो 6 काइंड ऑफ रेसिपी देंगे, एक सिंगल डे भी उनका टिफिन रिपीट नहीं होगा। So this is what the female have quality, but they don't have time for yours. They don't have time for herself because they don't give importance to their health, and this should not be happen. If you are able, if you are able to take care of family just because you are fit, if you are not fit, आपके वो लोगों को आपको देखना पड़ेगा। That we really don't want. We don't want to have burden or anyone else. And if we talk about the motivation कहाँ से आता है हमें? Motivation कहाँ से आता है? Motivation हमें first of all, what is motivation? Can anyone say loudly what's motivation? चलो,
Which make us do work.
which make us do work. Like any reason which is forcing us to do anything, that is called the motivation. That is called the motive. So motive, motive is a force or any reason or good thing or bad thing. Anything can be the motive behind doing. हम लोग बोलते भी है ना कि whatever we are doing for some reason. So that reason becomes our motivation. The reason may be to harm someone, that's called the negative motivation, and to reason become good and grow in a better way, that's called the positive motivation. So if we are not having time for ourselves, it means we are not motivated. To become motivated, we need to have motive in our life. Motive can be anything. Motive can be कि हमें ब्यूटीफुल दिखना है, मोटिव कैन बी हमें स्मार्ट बनना है, मोटिव कैन भी हमने एक ट्रैकिंग प्लान किया है कि हमें 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैकिंग पे जाना है, मोटिव कि हमने फ्रेंड के साथ 7 डेज लगातार बाहर का खाना खाना है। तो हमें पता है कि अगर हम लोग यहीं से अनफिट हैं, वी वोंट बी एबल टू ईट आउटसाइड फूड। मोटिव कैन बी माय पेरेंट, मोटिव कैन बी लाइक मेरा सबसे छोटा बच्चा, मोटिव कैन बी माय पेट जिसके साथ मैं खेल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे घुटने में पेन है। सो मोटिव कैन बी एनीथिंग। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट योर मोटिव। आप मोटिव मीन्स कि आपको क्या करने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है। डेफिनेटली आई डोंट वांट टू हियर कि आपको मोबाइल चलाने में अच्छा लगता है एंड दैट कैन बी योर मोटिव। नो, दिस कैन बी योर मोटिव फॉर हैविंग फिटनेस। पॉजिटिव टाइम मैनेजमेंट। पॉजिटिव टाइम मैनेजमेंट, हाउ इट हैपेंस, if we have to do any work and we start thinking, no, अरे यार ये तो बर्डन है, ये काम भी हमें करना पड़ेगा, believe me, you're not self-motivated. So having such kind of motivation will always spoil your days, ruin your habit. So first of all, to stop taking any work as a burden. काम कोई एक बंदा नहीं है जिसके लाइफ में प्रेशर नहीं हो। एक छोटा सा बच्चा the day he start going in a nursery, जिसे हमने अभी पेंसिल पेन पकड़ना भी नहीं सिखाया है, we expect them to like रिसाइट द राइम। हमें लगता है कि वो 2 दिन से गया, उसके पेंसिल पेन तो नहीं पकड़े गए, बट वाई ही इज नॉट रिसाइटिंग राइम लाइक द अदर चिल्ड्रन। सो दीज आर ऑल द लाइक बेसिकली जो हमारा कंपैरेटिव स्टडी है वो हमारा नहीं खत्म होता है। तो बर्डन उनके ऊपर भी है, उन्हें भी नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपेंस, आपने कभी देखा है कि जब हम लोग ऐसे बच्चे बैठे होते हैं, हम लोग सभी बैठे होते हैं, हमने अपने घर के किसी भी एक बच्चे को बुला दिया, ए कम हियर, तुम बहुत अच्छा गाना गाते हो, and start singing there. We never ask the child कि उसका मन है नहीं है। We never ask her or him. हमें लगता है कि no, if he is singing and so he should be comfortable all the time. But we never judge her mood. We never judge the physical condition she is going through. We never judge that whether she is feeling shy or not. So if we talk about the pressure is on everyone. So first of all, positive time management. So managing time without taking it as a burden. अगर हमें time manage करना है तो हमें if we have to find out time for ourselves, हमें वो बर्डन नहीं लगना चाहिए। हमें ये नहीं फील होना चाहिए कि यार हमें अपने लिए आज टाइम निकालना है, 1 घंटे, ये 24 घंटे में से 1 घंटे हमें देना है। नहीं, इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट। ये जो 1 घंटे है, ये यू शुड एंजॉय दैट आवर। people are paying to some of the institutions, some of the to buy time. हम लोग जाते हैं मूवी देखने के लिए, हम लोग जाते हैं गेम खेलने के लिए, we go to the snooker, we go to play the game because we want our time. हम लोग पैसे देते हैं अपने टाइम के लिए, अपने को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए, वी गिव मनी. सो इट्स बेटर टू डिसाइड योर प्रायोरिटीज. हमें अपनी प्रायोरिटी डिसाइड करनी पड़ती है. डोंट टेक इट एज अ बर्डन. इट्स द टाइम इज फॉर योरसेल्फ and start giving time to yourself. Whenever, see, you can think for others only when you have start thinking for yourself. You need to be selfish if you want to be fit first. So हमें अपने टाइम को मैनेज करना ही होगा. It should not be any excuse कि हमसे टाइम नहीं मैनेज होता, people are not there, हमारे घर में काम करने वाले नहीं है, we are unable to handle the work. It should not be like that. Motivation, if we talk about the motivation, the driving force behind our action. So each and every action is done in our life due to some motive. अभी हमने बात किया था कि मोटिवेशन कैन बी एनीथिंग. वो हमारा पेट तक हमारा मोटिवेशन हो सकता है. मोटिवेशन हमारे आज एक इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ सिंगल डे, आज मैं अगर एक सिंगल डे के मोटिवेशन की बात करूं तो मोटिवेशन हमारा एक गंदा पंखा भी हो सकता है जो हमने सोच रखा होगा कि आज तो हमें इसे साफ करके रखना है, एंड दैट इज टू हाई, दैट इज एट द टू हाई प्लेस, और वी आर अनेबल टू डू, वी आर गेटिंग टायर्ड क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा ऊंचा है. सो इट मोटिवेशन कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो ट्राई टू फाइंड योर मोटिव. क्या चीज आपको मोटिवेट करता है और किस चीज से आप खुश होते हो, एंड ट्राई टू मेक योर मोटिवेशन ऑन अ डेली बेसिस एंड keep changing your motivation for a daily basis. Monotonous life में हमें भी मन नहीं लगता. If we talk about motivation, there are two types of motivation. One is intrinsic and one is extrinsic. Intrinsic, in word से मतलब ही हमें समझ में आता है कि in का मतलब होता है जो something inside, और X we talk about something outside our body, है ना, जो intrinsic. तो intrinsic motivation क्या होता है? When we are motivated to do something good for ourselves or for the society without having any external expectation, any physical kind of reward, you can say. So basically, so intrinsic motivation कब होगा? जब when we are doing the selfless service, हमें कुछ भी अच्छा करना है and we need not to show to anyone else. Extrinsic motivation कब होता है? When we are doing something, we are expecting a good reward. हमें पता है कि अगर हम अच्छे से पढ़ाई करेंगे तो हमारा एक हमें मेडल के फॉर्म में मिलेगा. मेडल हमारा एक्सट्रिंसिक रिवॉर्ड हो गया. अगर हमने ये सोचा कि नहीं मैं पढ़ाई करूंगी, हमारी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप हो जाएगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन. सो if we talk about the driving force behind every action, you need to find out your driving force. It may be intrinsic, it may be extrinsic. If we talk about the motivation, हमने monetary और non-monetary motivation भी पढ़ा होगा. How non-monetary motivation works? Every time do we get whatever we are doing in our family, we are doing for parent, we are doing for children, do we get any kind of monetary reward all the time? No, it is not a monetary incentive. Sometimes a smile is much more precious than any kind of monetary reward. So basically this is called the non-monetary incentive. If you see the smiling face of your parent, इससे बड़ा motivation कुछ नहीं होता है. If you are doing something good, उन्होंने एक हक करके हमें एक पैट भी दे दिया हमारे बैक पे, that is the like best thing we have got in our life. That is called the non-monetary incentive. If we talk about the like monetary incentive, definitely see our life runs on the monetary part only, but still it is not that much important, which is कि like हम लोग उसके बिना काम ही नहीं चल सकता है. So motivation क्या होता है? For instance, motivation is what helps to lose extra weight or push you to get the promotion at work. In short, motivation cause to act in a way that get closer to your goals. So before knowing what is the factor that takes you towards your goal, first you should know your goal. So what is your goal? So if we talk about the physical growth, if we talk about the physical goal, if we talk about the mental growth, or if we talk about the growth in your career and promotion, first you need to decide the goal. And एक long term goal के साथ always make your short term goals for a day. एक long term goal में बहुत time लगता है. If we have planned to do a law in like next 5 years, definitely we will do, but it's a long time goal. So in achieving that long term goal, we always distracted from the original path. So to avoid such kind of distraction, we should have always a small goal to achieve on a daily basis. So motivation, if we talk about losing a weight, motivation हमारा हो सकता है कि our motivation to lose a extra weight, our motivation to look beautiful in like 1 or 2 months, our motivation to bring back our all the smile on our face. Our motivation is a smile of our parents. Our motivation is seeing my children like happy. It can be anything. So try to find out your goal first and be motivated always. If we talk about the fitness, if you have any physical issues, if you are unable to walk or think properly, there are so many ways. You can consult your doctor once in a year. There are so many like even if you don't want to consult any doctor, go to any like path lab and get your basic basic things, basic parameters checked, so that you will be relaxed and say that every parameter is going in a proper manner. So this can be one of the way of making yourself physically and mentally fit. Healthy lifestyle. If we talk about the healthy lifestyle, अगर मैं healthy lifestyle की बात करूँ, definitely see बाहर का खाना सभी को पसंद होता है, but still we should avoid eating outside food. Once in a while is completely okay, but not all the time. So if you have any kind of health issue, if you are having any kind of problem, so try to find out the reason behind it. Sometimes we are unable to find the reason कि नहीं, what exactly we are going through, हमें क्या खाने से problem हो रहा है, we are not doing so. आप 3 से 4 दिन if you are not going for a walk, आपकी body जो जितने भी joints होते हैं, they started becoming stiff. So we should not be that kind of fit, that kind of person जिसकी body stiff हो जाए. We should always be smiling. We should always be inspiration for every other people in our life. So I don't think like people are having any kind of problem now. Now you have, I will tell you if you have any problem, any questions related to any issue, any motivation or life skill, you can ask me.
Ma'am, sometimes we are distracted in our career life. So how to be focused again? We are unbalanced emotionally. How to be focused at that time, at that moment?
We always distracted because we are making ourselves away from the goal. I told you just now, just remember your long-term goal, and to make this long-term goal effective, you need to have short-term goal on a daily basis. If you have something to do on a daily basis, definitely, bacha, you won't be able to distract in your life. If you don't have anything to do throughout our day, if you have not planned your day accordingly, you will get bored, आप distracted हो ही जाओगे. If you have something,
Ma'am.
why we encourage people to write diary? Because we know like it's a diary is something called the introspection. We normally people don't write lies in our diary. हमने क्या हम लोग normally झूठ नहीं लिखते हैं diary में, because we know that is a precious part, and it is no one is going to read that. So definitely we never write lie things to our in our diary. So start writing diary, and in the same way there should be a plan in your hand so that you can
Yes,
plan
ma'am.
your next day activity on a daily basis. So if you have something to do, definitely you will not get distracted. If you don't have anything to do, you are always distracted because you don't know what to do and what should be done at a particular time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for this lovely answer.
Diary, yes, engineer Ganeshan Das, diary writing is a very good habit, because if you start writing diary, definitely you are going to 1 day or 2 day, if you are doing something bad, if you are not planned your act, if you're not live your life in a planned way, you will write the same thing in your diary. So after 2 or 3 days continuously writing a bad thing about you, you will have shame कि यार मैं तो 3 दिन से अपने बारे में कुछ गलत ही लिख रही हूँ, and you will start doing the right thing at the right time at the right place, so that you will have something good to write in your diary. So you should always encourage your children to have a diary in your life, and we should also follow the same, so that like almost पता है 50% जो हमारे problem होते हैं ना, we never try to know it. We never try to discuss about it. That's the reason it remains a problem. Once you start discussing your problem with someone, even in the form of your diary, your problem 50% or 70% of your problem vanishes, because someone is there to take care of the this thing, take care of your emotional part. Anyone else having any kind of questions?
Madam,
Yeah, please, Ghanshyam sir.
when I was in school, my principals used to say to me, you write a thought of the day on my board. So
Fine.
I used to write every day a new thought.
Okay.
Still, I'm continuing this practice today also. I write a new thought daily. So
Okay.
it is also a way of guiding yourself from many aspects.
Yeah, definitely. So if you're writing a good thought, see, definitely if you're writing a thought, definitely you will be writing something positive about anything. You're writing something good about anything. Your thought will not be negative always. And when you start writing something on a daily basis, definitely you will start thinking for a new thought, and that too. And after copying from the Google or something like that, engineer Saib, I must say, now if you have written so many thoughts in throughout the years, now you are a quote maker also. You have become a quote maker also. अब तो आप खुद भी quote बनाना शुरू कर दिए होंगे सर आज के डेट पे.
Yeah. I have written about 300 poems also.
So that's what I'm saying. See, if you continue doing something good in your life, you become like that. You will not be able to do anything bad. आपके सोच में भी वो नहीं आएगा, because you have started doing something good for others. And thought writing is a very good habit. If you because we don't only write, we try to implement in our life also.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, Ganesh.
Ma'am, I had a question.
Yeah, please.
If suppose it's regarding management of time, if suppose we have been assigned one work
Right.
and regularly we are doing that task, and suddenly some additional task we come up with where we have to submit it on urgent basis. How to balance too many tasks which we have to do it in priority?
Fine. So, see, as I told you, it's all about your priorities. Sometimes it happen your children are having out of 8 period, 7 periods they are having the homework. So what we used to do, see, for any student, it is not possible to do all the 7 homeworks, 7 subject homework in a day. So what we used to do, we look for the next day timetable. If 3 or 4 subject is not there, we try to make those subject in this today, and we will plan for next day activity. So in the same way, what happened, Sana, if we have 2 or 3 activity at a time, first of all, you need to tell your mind that you can do it. If your mind is saying you can do, definitely you will have time for everything. And second thing, if you are unable to do, don't make excuse that you are not able to do. हमने झूठ बोला जा करके, नहीं हुआ, बात खत्म. Teacher, I couldn't make it, or parent, I was unable to do. I was not finding myself fit for doing the thing. ठीक है, हमने नहीं किया. No one is going to punish you or hang you somewhere. It is your mind. If you are positive about doing anything, आज नहीं हुआ, we will do it today. We always say हमारा काम आज का खत्म होकर करना चाहिए आज भी. मैं भी यही बोलती हूँ, but it is not कि आपने अपने mental peace को harass करके you start doing anything. So your mental peace should be there, and you are a big child to prioritize your work area, and you can do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can I ask a question from the participant? So how do you plan your day? Like what exactly you do since morning till evening? Like how do you plan your day? Is there any fixed routine for all of you, or do you have planning to do anything new in your life on a daily basis? Have you ever experimented in your life?
Yes, madam.
Experiment. कभी हमने बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे बनने की कोशिश की कि आज तो we will do all the funny activity जो हमने 20 साल पहले किया था.
I used to write in the morning, line by line, the speech of various santa on
Okay.
Astha and Sanskar channel.
Fine.
And I used to write Mr. Modi's speech line by line, and
Okay.
it runs in 30 pages even.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have written all the speeches so far I have seen on the.
Okay. So do you know the shorthand also, or you can write by
No.
memorizing?
Line by line I can write it. in Hindi,
Oh.
in English, no problem.
Great.
Without
So you have got such a beautiful, you have got such a huge mental capacity, like memory power, no?
God gift, I feel.
Touch wood, touch wood. So it's a very good bit. So just because you are continuing this activity since long, you are able to do this. If I'm not able to retain whatever has been taught. See, 30% se zyada we can't retain for a day. If you are able to write line by line, it's like God gifted. You should retain this, and you should carry forward the same to your and inherit to your children also, so that they can also learn.
Yeah. I'm retired from HL Lucknow in 2012.
Okay.
So from that very point, I started this act.
Okay, fine. So I hope everyone liked the session. Anything else you have to say, or like any kind of question you have, you can ask me.
I have a question.
Yeah, please, Navneet.
I have asked that how to manage the motivation consistently, as somewhat we feel demotivated because of some people or the environment we stay.
Fine.
So
So you want to continue with a meditation which you are unable to do.
yeah, exactly. I want to be motivated consistently in a day-to-day life.
See, motivation consistently. होता है. So I always tell people who forget to do the activity on a regular basis. At least for 21 days, if you do any activity, even for just for the 21 days, you will never forget throughout your life. So just set your mind in a way, put an alarm, कोई reminder डाल दो, कुछ कर दो for that particular time. If you are able to manage for 20 days doing the same activity, believe me, you will never forget in your life.
Thank you.
Thank you, Navneet.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of organization committee, I would like to express my heartily vote of thanks to our outstanding speaker, Dr. Priya Kiran. Today we
Preeti
got the
Kiran.
opportunity.
It's Preeti Kiran.
I'm so sorry. Okay, it's Peter Kiran. I haven't corrected that yet. 1 minute, ma'am. Sorry. So, ma'am, it's a valuable session, and it's very insightful and also motivating for the sake. And thank you for teaching us how to manage our time for today and enlightening us for after this. During the session. And ma'am, our viewers and participants have few questions to be asked. Shall I proceed with the questions on behalf of your consent, ma'am?
Of course. Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, please let me know in case if these questions were answered by you previously, because these were in
Yeah,
chat.
sure, definitely.
Yeah.
Please ask the question.
Mental well-being as well as physical well-being, which should we, how to manage both of them in hand in hand? Like we might be losing one in case of we concentrate on another. How
Yeah.
do we manage?
See, as I told you earlier, if you want to become physically fit, you should know you need to be mentally fit. So you can be physically fit only if you are thinking about your fitness. If you are able to think about your fitness, if you are able to think about yourself, it means you are mentally sound, and definitely you are going to proceed towards your physical. So it's not about which one should be get prioritized. You should balance thing in a proper way. It's all correlated activity. You can't do one thing with escaping other. So it's all related activity, mental, physical, and emotional. It's all our mindset. It's all our mind, which we are going through all throughout the day. If you are mentally fit, if you are like emotionally strong, definitely you will be mentally fit. And if you are mentally fit, definitely you will be physically fit.
And ma'am, question number 2 is my personal question, ma'am. Like,
Please,
you know,
please.
most of the time when we have some time, we'll be pondering on our phone, or we'll be using most of our days, you know, we'll be
Yeah.
gone on phone. And that's why, that's what making Gen Z much lazier. So, and not able to concentrate on the studies or maybe on different things. So,
Fine.
maybe we'll get motivated for some time and study, and after that, you know, again we'll be on the track. So how do we, you know, maintain that, keep on that motivation without, temporary, not permanently, instead of
Right.
keeping it for temporary?
Yeah, definitely. So you know what happens, like if we are not actually motivated by phone, believe me, we are not motivated by phone, just because we don't have anything to do, we are totally dependent upon phone. पहले हमारा Google था, Google was not enough. Now Chat GPT has also come. जो हमारे थोड़े मोड़े जो वोकैब बचे हुए थे उसकी भी वाट लग गई चैट जीपीटी के बाद। ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर दोज डेज जब आपका फोन कभी घर पे छूट गया होगा और यू हैव एंजॉयड क्वालिटी टाइम विथ योर फ्रेंड। यू नो समटाइम्स इट हैपन वी आर सो मच यूज्ड टू phone and watching TV. We normally we forget to give time to our precious time to our family. Once in a day, just keep your phone aside and try to just that day just for 2 or 3 hours. बिलीव मी, आपका हेडेक कम हो चुका होगा। आपने अगर व्हाट्सएप 2-3 घंटे नहीं देखा होगा ना, आपको लगेगा लाइफ वाज सो स्मूथ अर्लियर विदाउट व्हाट्सएप। So it's totally you can manage. I will tell you one day, definitely you will forget some other day. It is only you can manage yourself. मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि fitness not about competition, it's not about reaching two different person. No, it's not about that. we need to be self motivated thing. We need to set our goals. हमारा कोई competition नहीं है किसी चीज में। अगर आपको लगता है कि you are giving not giving your time to yourself, to parents, try to find out time। 2 मिनट के लिए फोन रखो and once you start doing the same thing, आपकी habit हो जाएगी। You will start giving time to yourself and to family।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Once again, I express my gratitude and thank you, ma'am, for sparing time on your hectic schedule and sharing your valuable insights. Additionally, I want to thank everyone in the attentive audience for their smart questions and active participation.